Christmas is right around the corner, so today we're going to be making a couple wood projects that only uses a couple power tools. You can either sell or gift these projects, so let's get started. For this first project, we're going to be using this piece of cedar. It measures in is 7 1/4 wide and 19 1/4 long. But we're only going to need about 8 inches of it. All right, now you just want to go around your shop and just find 3 different sizes of circles. I found a can of WD-40, tape roll, and a piece of PVC pipe with screws in it. Okay. You're going to take your biggest circle and lay it at the bottom of the board with about a 1/2 inch of it lapping over the side. Then you can scribe a line all the way around it. You'll take your next circle, overlap it, scribe that line, and take your smallest, put it right on top, overlap it again, and then scribe that line. All these circles make this look like some kind of mascot. If Bob draws one circle at the bottom and then another 2-inch circle on top, at what point will he have to scrap the whole project and start over? Bruh. Now we have a nice little snowman, and we can draw a little hat on top. And now we can cut this out on either a bandsaw or a jigsaw. And the bandsaw will be my choice. And give it a massage on the belt sander. Now take the painter's tape you drew that circle with, and we're going to tape around the hat. And now it looks like this. Now dull your chisel by opening the can. And I need to shake it. And now you're going to stain just the hat part. You can pull away the painter's tape. And there we go. Now that the hat is dry, we can get a clothespin, and we're going to clothespin it right here. I totally just missed that. My goodness. There. And there we go. You made a little snowman note holder. All right, with project number done one. Huh? With project number 1 done, we can move on to the next project. Ooh. All right, for project number 2, we're gonna go out and get a piece of firewood. This piece is 4 inches wide. Now we can use the bandsaw, and we're gonna just cut a couple slats about maybe a 1/2 inch thick. You can also do this with a chop saw, but just watch out for kickback. And then we'll use the belt sander or a palm sander and make all the sides flat and smooth. And these coasters are ready to use as is, but I'm gonna take it one step further. Cedar logs are also a very good choice for making these. The whole point in all these videos I make is to encourage you to go out in your shop and build something. So take a couple minutes, go out in your shop. My YouTube analytics says that only 8% of my viewers are subscribed. Right now I have 21,000 subscribers, and if only 8% are subscribed, then that means 24. I would have over 100,000 subscribers. Take 2 seconds, click that button, and I'll see y'all on the next video. And by the way, my next video is gonna be turning this workbench into my dream workbench. So stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all next time.